Precision irrigation strategy is a method we can use to guide and manage the plant. The chart you see is a comprehensive schematic for irrigation management throughout the plant's growth cycle. Let's go through it step by step together. First, note that the chart is divided into 4 main phases. Phase 0, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Each of these phases represents a specific stage in the plant's daily irrigation cycle. In the pre-zero phase, which starts right after sunrise, we observe a decrease in the volumetric water content of the growing medium, or the volumetric moisture of the substrate. Why? Because as the plant begins photosynthesis, it starts transpiration and water uptake, which leads to a decrease in the moisture of the growing medium. The beginning of Phase 1 is when the first irrigation takes place sometime after sunrise. We will discuss in detail how to determine the right timing for this in a dedicated video. In this phase, or Phase 1, we gradually increase the moisture of the growing medium. We will also make a dedicated video about this topic, explaining how to increase the moisture of the growing medium at the start of the day. Interestingly, at this stage, depending on the type of steering we have in mind, we might observe either an increase or decrease in the EC of the growing medium. In Phase P2, which usually occurs in the middle of the day, we perform maintenance irrigations. By maintenance irrigation, we mean keeping the moisture level of the growing medium within a specific range, so that the plant can easily absorb water and nutrients. Notice how the volumetric moisture chart of the medium at this stage fluctuates in a sinusoidal pattern, which indicates the cycle of irrigation and water uptake by the plant. And finally, Phase P3, which lasts from sunset until sunrise the next day. In this stage, we allow the volumetric moisture of the medium to gradually decrease. This period, which we call nighttime drying, is very important for root health and for the plant to carry out its nighttime processes. Now pay attention to the other colored lines on the chart. The green line indicates the substrate EC level during the vegetative stage, and the purple line shows the substrate EC during the generative stage, which we will discuss in detail in upcoming videos. It is clearly visible that these two lines change throughout the day and are managed by the amount, frequency, and timing of irrigation. Another important point is the 2 equilibrium ranges, which are highlighted in green and purple at the top of the chart. We will also discuss these in a dedicated video. By using a precise irrigation strategy, we can effectively guide the plant, make the best use of water and fertilizer resources, and ultimately achieve the best yield and product quality. Let us remember that our responsibility in managing the root environment and the growing medium is to provide optimal conditions for the plant throughout the day and at every stage of its life cycle. Be sure to follow our page to watch the rest of the videos.